Want to make your Shopify store pop with buttons that truly represent your brand? Today, we're diving deep into crafting custom buttons in Shopify to supercharge your user experience and boost those crucial calls to action. Forget generic styles. We're talking about buttons that are as unique as your products. First, let's identify where we want these custom buttons. Think about your product pages, your homepage banners, or even your announcement bars. Every click is an opportunity. The first main path to custom buttons is through your themes code. Head to your Shopify admin, then online store, and select themes. From your active theme, click the actions button and then select edit code. This is where the real magic happens. You'll be looking for your theme's style sheet, usually named the Mex or Basics. This is the central hub for your store's visual styling. Now, we'll add some custom CSS. This is where you'll define the look and feel of your buttons, their colors, borders, fonts, and even hover effects. You'll need to target the existing button elements or create new ones using specific HTML classes. You can also target buttons within specific sections of your site for precise control. To figure out which CSS to use, you can use your browser's inspect tool. Right-click on a button on your live site, select inspect, and you'll see all its current styles, giving you a perfect starting point. Alternatively, if you prefer a no-code approach, many excellent page builder apps in the Shopify App Store offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces for creating and styling buttons. These apps often provide visual editors where you can select colors, adjust padding, change border styles, and even add subtle animations without touching a single line of code. Once you've added your CSS or styled with a page builder, save your changes, then preview your site to see your beautifully customized buttons in action. With these techniques, you can create buttons that not only look fantastic but also effectively guide your customers and elevate your brand's professionalism. Happy customizing.